Umbutho Isiyaphambili Project ubambe ukhuphiswano lwemibuzo yezenzululwazi eLenasia ngaphambili namhlanje olubandakanya abafundi abavela kwizikole ezihlanu zamabanga aphansi kummandla jikelele. Lo mbutho uthi injongo ukukhuthaza izikolo zamabanga aphansi ukuba zibeke phambili izifundo zenzululwazi ukuze kuqiniswe izakhono zokucinga nzulu kunye nohlalutyo phakathi kwabafundi.
Ngemuva komqhudelwano wabafundi beyikole zamabanga aphezulu, Isiyaphambili Project iqhubekile nokuhlela eminye imiqhudelwano njengoba namuhla ibihlanganise izikole zamabanga aphansi. Umsunguli walolu hlelo uthi ke kuhle zibanjwe isemaphupho emkhakheni wezesayensi ukuze ke ziyophonsa umbalane nasemazingeni aphezulu.
We want to prepare them for their matric, for their high schools, because as they go higher, it becomes tougher, especially on physics and maths. So we want to prepare them as they start, like they say, charity begins at home. So we want to start from as early as primary, so that when they go to higher schools, it won't be difficult for them. It's going to be more beneficial because it's preparing them. Since we are also moving to digital, they are also taught to be quick and think out of the box. Maths and science is the backbone of the economy. And if we are lacking maths and science from the beginning, it becomes tougher. As a country, we are mainly relying on foreign-based critical skilled people. So our main theme is to prepare them in maths and science so that they can get critical skilled jobs, and our economy is going to be stabilized in terms of critical skills through maths and science.
Omunye wothisha obekade ingxenye yalomncintiswano uthi ke nezinye izikole kufanele zingenele ukuze zingeke isilele emuva ekuthuthukisweni kwezifundo zesayensi. Lo mncintiswano kubuhanjelwe izikole ezinhlanu kanti ke lenhlangano ithi kayigcinile ngalokho esikuqalile. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kube komqondisi